Greetings and welcome to RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. At this time, we're leaving the Kingston Public Hospital, making our way up towards the Crossroads community. And before we reach the Crossroads community, we'll have to pass the National Blood Transfusion Services, or the NBTS. This location is also considered to fall under the name NBTS. Sometimes this area is considered the National Public Health Laboratory. It is one entity, but yet two. There are two different distinctive buildings on the premises. The blood bank is located on the left upon entering this building, and the National Public Health Laboratory is on the right. So majority of the blood products from all over the island, they are prepared at the National Blood Transfusion Service. And even if the locations outside of this entity prepares the product, they are tested on that location for standardization purposes. The National Public Health Laboratory, they deal with testing such as hematology, called testing. Those samples are sent from KPH up, chemistry testings, electrolytes, and all the works. They also do cytology, histology, just to name a few of the testing. And let us not forget microbiology. When you have those bacterial infection, those fungal contamination, and water testing is also done. That area of the laboratory also houses the environmental health department, where they also do some environmental tests like for air quality, etc. But that is not what we're here about. We are making our way to the Crossroads community, so we'll continue on that journey. The National Blood Transfusion Service and the National Public Health Laboratory are located at 21 Slipen Road, Kingston, coming upon Comprehensive Health Center located at this juncture. For those who are unaware of where the Comprehensive Health Center is, now you know. We're going to be making a left in this area, and this will take us towards Crossroads. And we're on the Studio One Boulevard making our way. And now we're at the intersection of the deciding factor as to where we go next. So this is the Crossroad bus park. So now we're going to be making a left on Retirement Road and then making a right on Retirement Crest. Now we're going to be making a right to head out to Half a Tree Road. Now we're on Half a Tree Road and we're going to be heading up away from the Crossroad area. In the next segment, we'll show you what Crossroad looks like, and today is a good day. The road is not congested, and it's just because of the time that we're traveling. We have a few errands to run, so we'll take you along so that we can run them together. Our first stop should take us to the Ministry of Health and Wellness office located on this building. So this is where we are. We're just going to do a drop off and then we'll be heading out again. So now the drop off is complete. We're going to be heading out. Back on Halfway Tree Road, and yes, we have police officers on operation, but we're not going to concern ourselves too much with that. We're going to be heading left in the direction of the Crossroad area, the area from which we were coming. And we are still on Halfway Tree Road. And this here is Crossroads, and we're in the town. So we're taking a right now in Crossroads and heading down. And on our right, we can see the Caribou Beta. And this is going to take us on Slipe Road. So the road that we're on previously was a Slipen Road, but this is a Slipe Road. So we pass the NCB, the Scotia Singer, on our left hand, and we also have the Northern Technical High School on our left, and on our right we have the courts, and our left we can't forget the COK. You can just use your eyes to peruse the area to see what is taking place in this geography. And you can check the gas price to have an estimate as to what time of the year we are. This is in the month of July 2022. Now we're in the vicinity of Wilma's High School, and this is the all boys section. Then after we have passed the Wilma's boys section, we'll be moving into the Wilma's girls section. And this change is where we have the Wilma's girls in there. They'll be heading up back to Crossroad area, where we'll be passing the Jamaica University College. And we can see Jamaica University College on our left hand. Now we're gonna be heading here. We're on Caledonia Crescent. And we're at the backside of Crossroads. We're still in Crossroads. And on our left hand is the Silver Slipper Plaza. Most persons in Crossroads who commute, shop, and reside in the Crossroads area will know the Silver Slipper Plaza. Further up, where we see people gathered, that there is the tax office. And you don't have to ask. Yes, it is almost always like that, except when it's worse. It's always a crammed area there at the tax office in Crossroads. On this road you have Kia, you have Audi, and on your right, the Hartress NTA. We're seeing HYUNDAI, courtesy of Magnum Motors. So now we're gonna try to make our way to Devon House. So we're making a turn here on the Knutsford Boulevard. And in this geography we have the National Housing Trust, which would be on the left hand, the Pegasus on the right hand, and we're all almost in New Kingston, and here we are, New Kingston. And this is what New Kingston looks like. So we're on Trafalgar Road. And now this is Devon House. If you would like us to have some ice cream in this place, or you'd like to see what this environment entails, please just hit the comments and let us know exactly what it is that you want us to see. And providing that it is reasonable, we'll try to make it happen. This is where we will come to the end of this road. Signing out from RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road is Dr. A. Walk, ride, drive, and fly good.